It's yours.
Yours? Mine?
It's yours.
What the heck?
What do you think it's for?
Me?
Uh-huh. What do you think it's for? Why do you think you have that?
I'm not sure. Oh.
Who's on that bag? And who's on that balloon?
Mickey Mouse.
Uh-huh.
Reagan got a Disney Junior.
Huh?
Disney. What's that clip?
What does it say?
What are these?
What do you think we're going to do?
Go to Disney World?
Do you want to go today?
Yeah.
We'll go right now?
Yeah. Ooh, Daddy's gonna be so excited. Ooh, boy. What the? Mickey Mouse? What the? Ooh.
Guess what we're going to eat today?
Dinosaur Cafe.
Yes. Today. It's today.
Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Check it out.
You excited?
Yes.
I guess you are.
Can you open this for me?
Yes. I love you.
I love you.